What's up, my friends, and welcome to the second part of our trip. We'll be taking you together to the 3 famous cities in Norway that we visited. We arrived quite late to our Airbnb, so we just decided to drink a glass of wine and rest for the next day. We started by having a coffee at home and went out for a walk by the Slottsparken to get some breakfast. What's up, guys? Arrived last night here in Oslo, Norway. Got some rentals, some scooters to roll around the city today. Sun is shining. Beautiful day.
We got a blessed day here, bro.
Let's go. As you can see, our choice of transport was the scooters, and I would definitely recommend you to rent them as it allows you to see much more in little time. This trip we decided not to plan too much and just go with the flow with whatever we were willing to do. We went around the shopping areas, the opera house, and found a pretty nice area with several bars and restaurants called Aker Bridge. Hi guys, so we finished our tour already in Oslo. Now that we decided to come to the Airbnb and relax a little bit, and then after that we'll see what we'll do. Oslo was absolutely spectacular, and I wish we had more time to enjoy the city. It was time then to get the rental to continue the trip, so we packed the car up and jumped on the road. What's up, guys? So we just left Oslo, we got our rental now. We are driving to Bergen. We don't know yet where we will stop in the road, but we are looking for some places to do some sightseeing, and then last destination is Bergen. How's the trip going?
Yeah, it's going great, man.
Updates?
A lot of beautiful places. It's like we got a very beautiful day today. We're very lucky.
This was exactly what we were looking for in this trip. Amazing landscapes to enjoy and in the company of great friends. We have stopped at a place called Flemport to rest and grab something to eat. The view was pretty enjoyable. unfortunately had seat warmers, and of course, as the grown-ups we are, we made use of it. In a blink of an eye, someone would turn it on and then you would be sweating and angry.
In my soul, in my soul, in my soul, I feel so alive. I feel so alive. I feel so alive. In my soul, in my soul, in my soul, in my soul.
We arrived in Bergen and went for a city walk. A dear friend of mine joined us and showed us around. She mentioned there was a cool place called Fløyen that had a nice view from the town. We could either do the hike or take the lift, and of course we chose the easy way.
Hey guys, we're here in Norway, a nice spot to see the city of Bergen. Today we are walking and making a city tour. Tonight we're going to have some drinks and enjoy.
Guys, first impression of Norway?
Hey guys,
Sucks.
Sucks.
Yeah, galera. Sorry guys, my friend here has a little bit of a problem.
Very beautiful place,
What's up everybody? So we had a nice experience here up in Fløyen. Tried to make the guys talk a little bit in front of the camera, but we are all getting used to it.
Have fun of throw here. They're kinda. That's my brother Soji and a throw here.
It was then time to continue our road trip. As before, we continue looking for a nice place to stop. Take a look at this one. Now we are heading back to Oslo. Still 5 hours to go. Everybody's tired, everybody's dead. It's a little bit rainy now, but still enjoying the view. It's incredible anyway. Guys, we found the Dementador from Harry Potter now. We put him to sleep, so he's just resting a little bit. It's not draining any souls now, but it's good that he's quiet. What's up, everybody? Breakfast time here in Oslo. We just came to sleep, and because we have to get the flight today, we are going to Tromsø, so we need to go to the airport, drop the car, and keep going with our last part of the trip. Let's go. Boom!
Teve aquela discussão, eu tava assim, tava louca, amigo, eu não tava.
Our last stop was Tromsø, where we arrived around midday. As the weather was not perfect, we decided to stay inside and enjoy the Airbnb. Our great friend Soji works with sushi restaurants in Brazil, so I would say he's our seafood specialist. There was no better person to be in charge of dinner. Good morning. A little bit of a bad luck with the weather here in Tromsø. We had breakfast. The guys are coming also. We are looking for some things to do. Most likely we will go do a sauna. There they are. Me, tava no X. That's it, guys, exploring Tromsø with this lovely weather. Rainy, cloudy.
Not very good, but
We're with our friends, so that's enough.
Yeah, that's enough.
Starting the mission sauna. Found 2 towels to buy because we didn't bring ours. We booked 1 hour.
Baby, you
It's very cold.
My word like no.
It's very sunny, perfect weather. We couldn't leave Tromsø without doing this, and
Not the best one, but we need to. We need to.
And we want to jump in the water for sure.
Summer is over, yet you're on my shoulder, counting the dandelions. I'm caught in heaven like 24/7, losing my grip of time with you.
Whoa, man. Guys, unbelievable. Me and Hoshi, we just finished the sauna.
Yeah, awesome experience, guys.
We jumped in the water, really, really cold. 100% satisfied with the experience. This completely paid for the entire trip. It was really worth to come all the way here and do this. It was then time to end our trip. The main goal of coming to Norway was to see the northern lights, but unfortunately the weather was cloudy, making the conditions not optimal. Despite this, Norway surprised us in many ways, and by being with our good friends, there were no bad vibes. We finalized this trip by toasting a beer, and Gabriel made the goodbye even more special by playing some beautiful songs on the piano at the airport. This trip only strengthened our friendship, and these are memories that will last forever. I'd like to leave here a special thanks to my friends Gabriel, Hoshi, Soji and Gu that made this happen. Thanks for watching and take care.
Fala da minha agora. É, mas essa turma...
What happened there, Soji? Bad luck?